Hi, where is my idea of the logo from? So I like the idea of the butterfly as the symbol of the transformation. So my first poem is connected with the butterfly who flies in the dark among meanness and lie. And finally, this butterfly um, comes to truth, and it is already morning, and it is the light. So the idea of coming to the light. So I found the picture of the butterfly in Pinterest, and I added my name and last name. And now I will tell you how I decided to build my website by myself. So there are many website builders who offer to create a website in 1 minute. And I found such website builder, but there are templates. You can't upload your own picture for the home page. There are just templates, there are different pictures, and if you don't like this very picture, they just offer other pictures, but you still need to choose from the number of pictures they offer to you. And as soon as I rented a domain on such a website builder, they started calling me from different states of the USA and different provinces of Canada. And I agreed with some web designers, okay, create a custom website for me. First, this web designer asked for a logo. I provided my logo to her, and she told me, no, it doesn't look professional. I can make it professional. So I paid money as if she created this logo from scratch, but actually she just replaced my name and last name and changed the font of the name and last name. Of course, now it looks more professional, but I believe it doesn't worth the full amount of money I paid, because I paid as if she created it from scratch, but she didn't create it from scratch. Then I provided a picture of the website, how I want it to look like. But she told me that pink buttons do not look professional, and she can create her own homepage. But what she actually started doing, she started doing using the templates. Again, the templates. And if you use the templates, you can't change something. For example, I didn't like some sections on my home page, but she told me that it's not easy to remove them. And she ignored the picture of my home page at all. So I didn't need those sections, but she couldn't do anything. And now when I started creating my website from scratch, I realized why. Just because she used the templates. Yesterday I told you that I didn't use any themes and templates, but actually I used 2025 theme on Hostinger.com. So Hostinger.com, it's a website where you can buy your own domain and where you can buy your own hosting and create your custom website. And actually all web designers that they buy domains and hostings from Hostinger.com. And I use a beginner-friendly version to create my website, and they provide a robot who can help you with building. But actually there is a person behind that robot, and they just give instructions step by step, and if you go the wrong way, you can explain where you are, and they can redirect you to the right place so you could find the right tools for building your website. When you deal with web designers, if for example in several months you don't like something about your website, for example you want to add some buttons or you want to remove some buttons, you can do it by yourself, so you need to pay to the web designer so they could maintain something. But if you create your website by yourself, you can remove and add any buttons whenever you want, and you don't need to pay anything. Thank you. Bye bye.